In this video, we're going to learn how to create Meta Business Manager account. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you're logged in into your Facebook account, and you want to go to business.facebook.com/overview. Okay, just open a new tab and go to business.facebook.com/overview. Now you find yourself on this dashboard. Just look for where you can find create an account. Click on create an account. The first thing you want to do is you want to give your business manager account a name. Now in my case, I always love to number my business manager account just in case I want to create another one in the future. So I'm just going to say business manager 1. In your case, you want to use the name of your business, and you can also use business manager 1. Now your name, you want to make sure to input the name, the exact name you have on your Facebook account. So by default, Facebook already select the name that's on the profile. The next thing is you want to input your email address and click on submit. Now it says business manager 1 was created. Now it says confirm your email address. Now go to your mail and confirm with the link that you have been sent from Facebook. Okay, it's that easy. I'm just going to click on done. So we have finally created our business manager account, which is same as Meta Business Manager account. So the next thing you want to do is we want to add our pages to our business manager account. Now go to the arrow down here and click on your business manager account, and then click on visit settings. So now here we are on our business manager account, the one we just created. Now we're going to add our Facebook page and our Instagram account. You can also add your other account if you have one already on your Facebook, and if you don't have one yet, I'm going to make a separate video on how to create another account. Then I'm going to show you how to add it to your business manager account. Now the first thing we want to do is we want to add our page to our business manager account. So just look for where you can find pages. Now click on pages and click on the plus button here. Now you have 3 options. You can add an existing page, you can request access to a Facebook page, and you can also create a new page. So if you don't already have a page here, you can create a new page from here. And if you want to request access to, like, say your client's page, say you're an agency and you want to have access to your client's page, you can request shared access to your client's page, and you can also add an existing page. Now we already have a page, so I'm just going to click on add an existing page. Okay, so here you want to copy the link to your Facebook page, like your Facebook page URL, and paste it in here. Okay, now make sure to select the right Facebook page. In your case, if you have more than 2 pages, just make sure to select the page you want to add to your business manager account. In my case, I'm just going to select Rema Prince NG and click on next. Now click on next again and click on agree, click on claim page. So it is automatically going to add your Facebook page to your business manager account. Now click on done. Now let's go to Instagram account. Click on the plus add button here. Okay, now it says to claim an Instagram account. You will be asked to log in to authorize the claim in the next step. So all you just need to do is click on I agree and click on claim Instagram account. So all you just need to do is log in your Instagram account into the new tab, and it will automatically add your Instagram account to your business manager account. Okay, I'm not going to do that in this class. In your case, you just want to log in your Instagram account, then Facebook will automatically add your Instagram account to your business manager account. So thank you once again. It's Demilade Daniel. We have come to the end of this class. If you're new to my channel, please do well to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't get to miss any of my content. Thank you. I'll see you again.